Good morning, everyone. It is Sunday and it is Vlogmas day 16. So, wow, I can't believe it's already getting to be a week till Christmas. Is today the 16th? I'm pretty sure it is Sunday, so I think that's the 16th. And I plan to knit most of the day again today. I have to finish a project for Christmas, and I have decided that I am going to do capped sleeves instead of long sleeves on the sweater for Katie, and then purchase some shirts from Amazon that will be here by Tuesday. I already ordered them. I ordered a pink one and a navy blue one so she could wear them underneath, and they are long sleeve, like almost t-shirts, but they're a little nicer than t-shirts. But it can go underneath this Hampton sweater that I have been knitting for her, and it has been my nemesis just because I wanted to get it done for Christmas and I was so not in the mood to do it. It's just kind of a boring knit, and I don't really like the yarn. It is A Pound of Love by Lion Brand, I believe. Not that you guys are totally interested, but it is just a lot of boring knitting. And oh, I do have a cute little progress keeper on this one though, my little hedgehog. I need to take him off and use him on something else now though. But so I have the front and the back done, and now I'm almost done with one sleeve. I'm just going to do little capped sleeves, and so I need to do two of those obviously, and then stitch the whole thing together. So the shirts that I ordered this morning should arrive by Tuesday, so that means I have until Tuesday to get this done, and then I can wrap it all when they get here. That's my thinking. And I am so I have today to do that. I think I can do that, I think. And so that's really my big plans for today. Nothing too big, and yeah, I guess that's it. So I will probably say hello again later, and hopefully I will look a little better, but I can't even guarantee that, to be quite honest. Yeah, I don't even know what else I have in store. Dennis is going to be going to his uncle's. They have some work thing that his uncle invited him to go to, so they're going to do that, and then I think they're going to do Topgolf. And then Katie stayed the night with her dad, so she will be here sometime today. I don't know when, but you know, she likes to knit and watch Hallmark with me or whatever. We've been watching Nailed It. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. If you guys haven't seen that, you might want to check that out. They have a Christmas holiday version. It's so funny. It's these bakers that are just ordinary bakers that have to, I think we told you about this before, but oh well. They have to make a cake or cake pops or something like that, depending on whatever it has been created, and they have to duplicate it or replicate it. And oh my goodness, it's so funny. Nailed it. All right, well, I'm going to let you guys go, and I'm going to get to knitting. So I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. So guess what I am doing? I am casting off the second sleeve of this sweater, and then I am going to block it, and then I will sew it together. So I probably won't be able to put it together until tomorrow or the next day whenever it is dry, but I feel like I need to block it first because it's all crazy right now and it needs to be all straight. But I did the first sleeve, and like I said, I decided to do it in little capped sleeves, or these might even be short sleeves on Katie. So yes, I'm super excited. The sleeves were just too overwhelming, and doing it in short sleeves worked out really well. And I ordered two shirts for her. One is pink and one is, what color did I get? Oh, navy. So I thought that those would go well with this. The pink one is like a bright pink, and then the navy. So I think that will be nice, and of course you can wear them with whatever, but I thought that that would work well with this color. So yay. Let me cast this off, or bind this off, and I will be ready to block. All right, well, it is 3:30 and I'm going to pick up Katie. She doesn't have a car. I think I told you guys that in a different vlog, but she is at her aunt's house. So I am just going to pick her up, and I thought I would vlog a little bit while I was doing it. My goodness, the sun is shining bright, which is nice. It's 57 degrees. Wow. It's warm. And sunny. I need my sunglasses on. Ah, that's better. So, I know these aren't the prettiest sunglasses, but they are so good. I mean, like, I can have my eyes totally open without squinting at all, and the sun doesn't hurt my eyes. They're very nice. I got them as my, I think it was my 10-year anniversary at work. Could have even been my 15-year. I don't know, but either way, I got them for that. Katie called me to see if I would mind coming to get her, which of course I don't mind. I think she feels silly asking, but she shouldn't. It's okay. I'd rather go and get her than for her to be sitting there and not wanting to be there or whatever, you know, because sometimes you've just, and she stayed the night, so she's just done. I get it. She loves her aunts, but yeah. And I know she wants to knit because she is working on Christmas presents for people. Not that she wants to knit instead of socialize with her aunts that she doesn't get to see very much. She'd rather do that, I'm sure, but since she's done that, I know she's ready to just come home. So I don't know why I'm even bothering to think about it so much. Crazy. That's what I do sometimes. So I am blocking that sweater right now, and in doing so, I stuck one of those blocking things right through my finger. I don't think you can probably even see the little, there's just a little ouch on it, and it doesn't even hurt right now. It might hurt tomorrow, but today it doesn't hurt. And it didn't go through like the meaty part or anything. It was just dumb. But then, and it's a white sweater, and I know that I got a little bit of blood on it, so, and I had planned on reblocking it anyway, so it's really not that huge of a deal because I'm going to sew it together and then reblock. But I wanted to have it blocked so that I could make sure I was sewing the seams correctly because I'm still new at that. And I didn't put anything here, like I have it being held with a little scrap yarn or whatever, but it's not a scrap yarn, it's like a big safety pin. But I have that being held there so that the stitches aren't hanging loose. But the weird part is that I don't know what I'm supposed to do with the stitches. I read the instructions and it doesn't really say much after it says sew up the seams, and then it just kind of has that one hanging open. So I don't know, I'll figure it out. It's not a big deal. I mean, worst case is I'll just bind it off and it'll be fine. So what a beautiful day. My goodness, I didn't even realize it was so warm out. Crazy. Well, I don't really have much to say, so I guess I will let you guys go, but that's kind of what my day has been consisting of, just a whole lot of knitting, and I did a little inventory, and I blocked, and I've cleaned a little bit. I've just done a little hodgepodge of everything today, I guess. And yeah, so it's been a good day, and it's about to get better since I'm getting my chicken. And I will talk to you guys later. After a while, crocodile.